Hello guys, so I've been having some issues with my 97 E36 M3. Wasn't starting. I got a new starter, still wouldn't start. It's like no crank. um, the motor won't crank over. Then I went ahead, got the battery tested twice, got the new starter tested again. Had a buddy look at it, and then I did some research online, and there's a lot of talk about the EWS disabling the car from being able to start. So what I did and what fixed my car, and I know a lot of you guys are having this issue, and there's a lot of information out there. Some work, some doesn't work. So definitely cutting the wire for the OBD2. This is an OBD2 car. Cutting the wire under the hood, the pin number 7, did not work for me. So what I did, it's a combination of things. You can try one at a time, but I'm going to tell you all that I did other than the starter was I went on eBay, ordered a EWS delete ECU plug and play. This is the Simmons ECU in this car. So so there's a bunch of sellers selling those ECUs. They're just plug and play. No, you don't have to like do anything. That's what they say on there. Around 100 bucks. It costs 100 bucks for the ECU. You don't have to send yours. You can send yours if you prefer, and then they can reprogram that ECU and send it back to you. So I got a EWS delete plug and play ECU from eBay. And also what I did is that plug right there, that's the plug for the wiring harness for the EWS. So I went ahead and I jumped these two big wires. I don't know if you can see this green wire is looping with that big green wire, and then the black and yellow wire. I think it's green and black. So the green and black, there's only two big wires in here. All the other ones are little wires. So I just jumped them right there, stuck a wire in that pin, and jumped it onto the other pin. I might just leave it like that. I might just make it a little bit more snug, and my car starts. So EWS delete ECU plug and play from eBay, and jump those two wires, um, and then car just starts. Look, just starts right up. So that's what fixed my problem. If you guys have any questions, any particular questions, um, you can leave me a comment, and then we'll go from there. Good luck.